Okay, so what do we need to do now is to program that very simplified game. We're going to define a variable called skill points, and let's say that initially this skill point is equal to 15. Now we're going to use the if else. If skill points is less than 15, we are going to print you will we will say welcome to city 1. Your vanilla level should now if it's less than 15 we would say welcome to city 1. This is the easy part. Okay, now I'm gonna say else. Also we need a double column like that. Also we need a column like that. We would say print welcome to city 2. This is going to be tough. Okay, so now if we run this, as we can see, we said welcome to city 2. This is going to be tough. That's really what we are looking for. Now, let me show you what kind of bug we would have if we delete this else. Let's say you are walking, you are playing an interactive game, and you don't have an else condition. As you can see, you will be printing nothing. Okay,